Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking for a simple way to earn money online from home? In this video, I will walk you through how to make money on Scribie in 2025, one of the easiest transcription platforms for beginners. You don't need experience, just good listening skills and attention to details. Scribie is an online transaction platform that pays you to transcribe audio files into text. It's beginner friendly and requires no upfront investment. You get short audio clips, transcribe them, and get paid. Simple as that. Key points: pays $5 to $20 per audio hour. Files are 10 minutes long. Weekly payouts via PayPal. You can work anytime, anywhere. To work on Scribie, you will need good English, comprehensive, a computer or a laptop, no mobile app support yet, headphones for better audio clarity, PayPal account to receive payments, stable internet connection, basic typing skills, around 30 to 40 write per minute is fine. Scribie is open to most countries, but check if yours is supported before applying. Go to Scribie. Then click Order Now or Freelance Transcription. Then click from Sign up for a free account. Then click Sign up from the dashboard. Enter your first name, last name, email address. Country name. Enter your strong password. Then check the box. Then create an account with Scribie. Before create sign up, check all details are correct. Select industry like video. And that's it. Once you are in, take a transcription test. Don't worry, we'll talk about how to pass it next. Once you pass the test, you will get access to available jobs and start earning right away. Scribie gives you a short audio file to transcribe. You must follow their style guide punctuation, tags formatting. Use the built-in Scribie editor. Make sure there are no spelling or grammar mistakes. Use tags like crosstalk properly. Listen 2 to 3 times before submitting. Use free tools like Grammarly and listen with quality headphones. Don't rush. Accuracy matters more than speed in the test. Once you are approved, log in your dashboard. Choose from available files. Sorted by difficulty and length. Listen to the audio. Type the transcription in their online editor. Submit it for review. Get paid when approved, typically within 24 hours. Scribie also offers a promotion systems. Once you complete more files, you can earn bonuses and move up to reviewer or provider roles. Pays 10 cents per audio minute or $5 to $20 per audio hour. Bonus for monthly transcription volume. Promotions as a reviewer. You can earn more per file. Top transcribers make $200 to $500 per month working part-time. No passive income, not passive income, but consistent side cash. It won't make you rich, but it's legit and flexible. Perfect if you want to make extra money in your free time. Always use headphones. Take breaks to avoid ear fatigue. Read Scribie's style guide carefully. Start with easy files. Avoid rushing. Accuracy leads to more trust and promotion. Improve typing speed with free sites like Typing Club. The more accurate you are, the more likely you will get higher paying tasks and faster reviews. And that's how you can start making money on Scribie in 2025. It's simple, flexible, and perfect for beginners who want to work from home. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more freelancing tips, and let me know in the comments if you are going to try Scribie. Thanks for watching.